Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video. Hey, it's Sovik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. iVOOMi has unveiled its new series of smartphone i1 and i1s. In this video, I am going to review the i1s. So let's get started. If you didn't watch the iVOOMi i1 mobile phone review, then click on the top right corner and you can watch the video from right there. The iVOOMi i1s is coming with MediaTek 6737 quad-core processor with 1.3 GHz clock speed and the GPU is Mali T720. The iVOOMi i1 is coming with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. It also have a dedicated microSD card slot which supports 128 GB expandable memory. It also supports an OTG drive. The price of the phone is 7,499 rupees and it's exclusively available over the Flipkart. Buy link given in description, you can buy from there directly. The iVOOMi i1 is made with aluminum series of metal and the plastic back panel which gives an elegant look. And the font glass is 5.45 inch Full HD 18:9 display with 2.5D curved glass. The edges are round edges like we have seen previously in Samsung Galaxy S8 series. The iVOOMi i1s is coming with 3000 mAh non-renewable battery. The iVOOMi i1 is coming with dual rear camera. One is 13 megapixel and another one is 2 megapixel with dual tone LED flashlight, and the rear camera having features like portrait mode, bokeh effect, HDR mode, panorama mode, wide angle photography, etc. And the front camera is 8 megapixel selfie shooter. Both front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p resolution. As previously said, the display is 5.45 inch IPS Full HD display having PPI 294 and it's a 18:9 full screen display. Resolution of the display is 1280 by 640 pixel. In case of software, the iVOOMi i1s is coming with Android 7.0.1 Nougat. It's a stock UI. In case of network and connectivity, the iVOOMi i1s support dual micro SIM. Both are the micro SIM slot. Both the SIM support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G, 3G are supportable. It also supports high quality HD VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included Wi-Fi direct GPS, USB connector for charging and the Bluetooth 4.0 version. It also have a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output. Sensor are fingerprint scanner, ambient light sensor, G sensor, accelerometer sensor and the proximity sensor. So that's all. If you want to know more about the others iVOOMi mobile, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like this video, and thanks for the watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.